Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back after not posting for a while, but I'm gonna be doing these pretty much every day almost. Like every trade that I'm taking over my bias, my thought process into every single trade. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So first of all, on the hourly, didn't really know where we are gonna go really, because we were in this fair value gap, the bearish one, and also we were also in the bullish one as well. Fuck me, my bad. Right here, we were also in the bearish one and also a bullish one. So didn't know what we really wanted to go, so I just waited. Because if you don't know where the draw on liquidity is, there's no point of trading, you know? First thing you gotta do is look for your draw on liquidity. And I saw that we were just accumulating, and then we swept out this low into the hourly fair value gap. Also, which is overlap with this fair value gap. And so I was kind of long biased. I was just waiting. I looked over at the 5 minute and we swept these highs. We broke structure to the upside. And right over here, if you guys didn't know, break structure to the upside. We bring into this 5 minute gap. We also got SMT like with these. I think this was SMT. I'm not really sure with DXY. Was it like here? 320, 1010, 320, 1010, 3 320, 1010. Yeah, 320, 1010. We didn't take this one, but we took this one, right? We didn't take it, but we took it here. Didn't take it yet. We weren't able to take it. Okay, so after this SMT, I know that we're gonna start moving down at least to the minimum to this fair value gap, and if this fair value gap holds, then I'm like long off of it. So I'm waiting for my setup because we're also very kind of close to this Asia high, so created relative equal highs kind of like here. And so I was looking to long off of the fair value gap. So what we did was on the 1 minute, we tapped into the fair value gap. We pulled back in at 331, and then this fair value gap I was looking at, I was waiting for to get inversed. I took my trade, my setup. It was a good inverse. I was gonna go break even right here, and then like target 1, 2, 3, 1 RR. However, it's been profit for a little bit, and just straight downhill. I was when I was kind of hesitant of like closing the trade when we got up till here because we just kept on pushing down. But it is what it is. I took my trade, took my system, and well, you just gotta repeat it. You know what I mean? Trading is all about numbers. It's a numbers game. And then so I knew my draw on liquidity was correct. The just the timing of when it was gonna move was of course incorrect. So then I looked for like a re-entry or something. And since we were so bullish and we were kind of inverting all of these gaps, like we after here I saw at 3 o'clock, we inversed the hourly fair value gap. I know we're gonna at least go to this high and then go up to these highs and stuff like that. So I was still looking for longs. However, after we swept Asia lows, Asia highs, my bad, these Asia highs, I knew I was either looking for shorts if we can inverse this fair value gap, or if we were able to, since the 3 o'clock candle inverse the fair value gap. I was still looking for long, so more long bias, but still looking for shorts as well. But more on the long side. And then what do we know? We got a fair value gap right here. Find the inversion right here. Inverse right here, and then inside a fair value gap. So it's delivering from a fair value gap a key point, and inverse a bearish fair value gap, which is supposed to hold but didn't. So what does that mean? It's most likely gonna go up. So then I go break even. I didn't really go break even, but inversion, take the trade, stop underneath the swing low, targeting this high, this high. I could have really targeted here, but honestly, just wanted to take my 1.5 RR. And yeah, that's honestly it. I am taking all of these on my funded, so I'll show the P&L and everything. Uh, and yeah, those are my trades of the day, my daily bias and everything, my thought process of everything. Yeah, I'll see you guys no, tomorrow I can't trade. Thursday is a bank holiday, so probably Friday if I do trade Friday, because after the bank holiday, I don't know. We'll see. But you could have also taken these trades because I was also reviewing them, reviewing like testing out my strats. But like inversions right here, swept the key level, which was New York PM session highs, and then inversion, literally take the trade, short position after we inverse that. If you just want to wait for confirmation, swing above. Probably I'll put it above this swing high, because it's very unlikely that we're gonna come up here unless we're still bullish. And then you could literally just target it like here or here, depending on what you wanted. But here you wouldn't have gotten anything but right here. Boom. And also on the 5 minute, you could have also targeted like the point 0.5 of the 5 minute right there. Right here. You could have also targeted like this, 1.5 ARR, you know. Or you could have also taken this trade if you wanted to. Boom, fair value gap inversion. Stop underneath the swing low, or you can just put it up here, wait for like an just put it wherever your system that you've tested out says you should put it. I would like to put it like down here, right here, and then target it back up because we are in a key level during from a 5 minute fair value gap all the way, and you could just take it up to external range liquidity up here. I mean, these are the trades that you could have taken, but of course, I just took this one. It literally took like 1 to 3 minutes, like 2 minutes and a little bit for me to make 1.56 RR. Not a bad day. Up on the day. Yeah. I'll see you guys on Friday if I do trade.